Let us now look at how we can add a fair trade to our games. In this case, a fair trade is when the player loses health and about to die. The player can buy a developer product to regain all his or her health back for just 3 Robux. In this example, we have a kill brick here, but it's a slow kill brick, so it's not going to kill you immediately. We have 2 scripts inside the service script service. The first one is the slow kill script. In your script, just enter the following lines. Basically here, we're prompting the player with the developer product when the player's health reaches at or below 30 health. When the player buys the developer product, it's going to kick off the other event. In here, we have the process receipt callback. So whenever the player buys the developer product, it's going to connect to this function, process receipt function. It's going to kick off this section of the code here. Basically, we're just going to give the player max health, and we let Roblox know that the purchase has been granted. Let us now play test and take a look. When my health goes to below 30 or equal to 30, it's going to prompt me to buy the developer product. And there it is. So here I have 2 choices. If I click cancel, then nothing is going to happen. My health is still down here. So let me go back up here, and it should prompt me to buy it again. Okay, there it is. But in this case now, I'm going to accept. I'm going to buy I Want to Live. Click on this. And you see, it says your purchase of I Want to Live succeeded. Click OK, and you can see my health is back to 100%. For more details on how everything works, you can go to the description of this video for a link to a complete tutorial on Roblox developer products.